Hello everyone, welcome to Full Course Online. In this video, I will show you how to convert an image into a PDF file using Windows 11. This method does not require any additional software. Let's begin. First, locate the image file on your computer. Right-click the image file. From the menu, select Print. If you cannot see Print here, click on More options. Now click Print. The Print Pictures window will appear. From the printer drop-down list, select the printer named Microsoft Print to PDF. Next, choose the paper size. Let me select tabloid. Select the quality. There are many layouts available. I am leaving the default one. Multiple copies can be taken, and leave this checkbox checked if you want the image to occupy the whole space. Once everything looks correct, click Print. Now choose the location where you want to save the file. Enter a name for the PDF file. Click Save. Your image will now be converted into a PDF document. And that's how you convert an image to a PDF file easily.